In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create sub-bullets in Google Docs. Whether you're working on organizing your ideas for a presentation or putting together detailed notes, mastering the art of using sub-bullets can really elevate your document's clarity. By the end of this tutorial, you'll be seamlessly navigating between different levels of bullet points. So, let's get started. First, you'll need to start by creating a main bulleted list. This is simple to do. You can click on the bulleted list icon located conveniently in the toolbar at the top of your Google Docs screen. Alternatively, if you're someone who prefers using shortcuts for efficiency, you can press Ctrl plus Shift plus 8 on a Windows computer. If you're using a Mac, it's CMD plus Shift plus 8. This should instantly give you that first bullet point, ready for you to start typing your content. Once you've invoked that main bullet, go ahead and type in your first bullet point. It could be anything you're planning to list out. After typing out your text, press the Enter key. This action will direct Google Docs to auto-generate the next bullet point, adhering to the main list style. Now from here, you might want to delve deeper into a particular bullet point topic and introduce sub-bullets. To do this, simply press the Tab key. By pressing Tab, you're signaling to Google Docs that you wish to move your point further in, creating a sub-bullet. Notice how Google Docs will automatically choose a different symbol or indentation for this nested level, making it clear visually that this is a subpoint of your main bullet. With the sub-bullet now created, type out the content for this sublevel. This is often where detailed information resides. Once you're happy with what you've typed, you can press Enter again if you'd like to continue adding more sub-bullets. Each time you press Enter here, you'll stay at this same nested level, allowing for the addition of more related points. At some stage, you might need to revert back to the main bullet level, especially if you're starting a new section. To do this, hold down the Shift key while pressing Tab. This handy shortcut moves you up a level, back to the main bullet point level, where you can continue listing off main points or start new sections. And there you have it. By following these steps, you now know how to effectively use sub-bullets within your Google Docs, enhancing the way you organize information. Play around with these techniques as you work, and soon enough, they'll become second nature. Thank you for watching, and now it's your turn to try it out. Happy documenting!